Babe, how do I get it away?
Look at the little baby.
Look, I want to feed the baby.
Oh, you're sticking out the window.
It's gonna get my fingers. Oh my god. Okay, go away.
You weird looking T-Rex. He's like, I'm done. I'm done here. Put it up next to the window. Put it up next to the window.
Did you see that thing? I see it.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh. 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 Hey. Hey, hey. Alright, come here. Come here. Alright, that's really close. Hey. 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 Ew, you stink. What?
Pet it.
Look, no. Watch, he's gonna go.
He's gonna lick your face.
Oh, come on. You're gonna need to clean this car up. We're gonna need to. Ow, 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 ow.
Nom nom.
Your eye is really big.
Close the window.
No, let's go ahead and move forward.
Close my window.
Say, bro. Hey, brah. Wop. Come on. No. Look, that's 50% of our supply. Look at that reindeer. Come on. Bring your buddies. Well, look, you just scared him away. See, look, he's running off shaking. Here, come here. Eat. Nom 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 nom.
Another llama is standing in the pond. That's where they go to cool off. Aren't they smart? Llamas originate in Peru. They're a common farm animal all over South America today. Across the road is the Children's Barnyard area. There is one free pony right here for the day. When we stop, there are animals that come right over and try to help themselves to that food you got. They know very well what you trans do here. Please do not hand feed the animals during the ride. Your fingers might look like the food there, so hold out your bucket instead of your hands when an animal approaches you, and hold the bucket from the bottom and not the top with those hands. On the right side, the island out there I mentioned has ring-tailed lemurs on it. Right now, you can see the elk on the ground on that island. They swim out there and back all the time. Good swimmers. See that white elk sitting on the left side of that island. He is not albino, but he has on the right side there's a baby deer from China. He's a deer David deer. On the left side, a water buck. This one's a female water buck. Only one of them in the herd comes up to your butt. Endangered species, they're also reintroduced in China. For over 4,000 years, deer David were only found inside of the Chinese royal garden. The rhinoceros out there, his name is Kiwi, he weighs over 3,000 pounds. He is called a southern white rhinoceros. Those are from South Africa and the only kind of rhino today not extinct or almost extinct in their own habitat. He's a big guy, actually normal to a rhino. You see the baby emu on the left? This is the mama emu. And the baby by the fence line.
Yeah.
Emus are from Australia and a very different bird from the ostrich. They are much smaller, but the tallest bird found in Australia. The baby, when he hatched, was 8 inches tall, and he hatched in April. Emus nest between October and March. Typically, they lay about 4 eggs in their nest, and the eggs look like big green avocados when they come out. Usually it is a deaf. He's full grown. Indian blackbuck are named for the males. The
Let's just
females
add that in
look
there.
a lot like the males. They are golden on top and white on the bottom, and they have no horns. Indian blackbuck are common than the target that follows through dense vegetation.
Hey. Hey.
Here they come. These big cow-like animals are called gowers. They are the wild ox of India. Currently, only 3 varieties of wild oxen exist worldwide. None of them are doing so hot. Gowers are extinct from their habitat. Right now, there are less than 300 left in the world. You're getting a very rare animal, to say the least.
Behind you. Behind you.
They really love that food.
Look at this scary thing.
Yeah, he really is.
Look at his eyes. The irises. Carson, go feed him. Go hold the bucket up to him.
Okay, we're gonna start moving forward. Here's a fallow deer. Here's another fallow deer. There's Big Brother over here. He doesn't have all the spirals in his horns just yet. He's only a year old.
Come see.
Mama.
All right, come see. Hold your bucket right here. Come here. Carson. Throw it. Come here.
No.
Come hold the bucket.
It's so brave.
You're afraid?
That one back there is not getting any. Here. Ah, ah. Don't.
That's a young male.
I was right here.
You have holes in your teeth. You need to go to a dentist.
You can see Pee-wee from here. Pee-wee the rhino. He's off to the right. Kind of just standing there. Rhino are known to be very lazy. They're always tired all the time. They love to sleep.
I think you missed giraffes too.
What?
I
It's
missed
like he's
the
kind of standing
giraffes
there falling
too.
back asleep.
I missed the giraffe.
We do keep a southern white rhinoceros.
Yeah.
It's the least rare of the different kinds of rhino around. They're still hunted for their horns, though. That's still endangered. Those are fallow bucks, all running away from something. The male fallow deer out there